Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you? I think all of my friends doing very well. So now I show you a new Excel tricks. So this tricks is how to add a date figure on your Excel. So let's see how to add a date figure on your Excel. First of all, we going to one browser. So we select one browser like Chrome. Then we going here and search on Sam samrateapp.com/datepicker, then search enter. Here we this is the website rate sheets, and scroll down and here is the download button. We click on here and then the file is download. So we go to our file. This is our file. This is the file and this is a zip file. And how to this file is unzipped. Click on mouse right button and extract my file already extract, that means unzip. This is the file, this file is unzipped. So let's go how to show or how to add this file or this date figure on Excel. So let's see how to add date figure on Excel. Going here, more option, then going to option, then click on add-ins, then going here, go. Here is my date figure already added. If you want to add it, click on browser and going to download. This is my date picker app or option file. Then double click on here and double click on here. Here is my date figure already added. So yes and okay. And after this time, this date figure is added here. So this is the video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Assalamu alaikum.